In the palm of our hands, entire worlds come alive. But before the joysticks move and the buttons click, a miniature universe of technology must be precisely crafted. This is the unseen assembly of a modern portable gaming console. Every console begins with its digital brain. First, we install the main logic board, the central hub for all processing. This intricate PCB, often pre-populated with the powerful CPU and GPU, is the foundation for all graphics and gameplay. Next, we integrate the window to digital worlds, the high-resolution display. This screen module is meticulously connected, ready to render stunning visuals. Simultaneously, the custom-fit battery compartment is installed, preparing for portable power. Now for player interaction. Every button, joystick and trigger is carefully placed. These tactile inputs are aligned with precision, ensuring every press and every movement translates flawlessly from your hands to the game. With control in place, we add the immersive elements. The stereo speakers and haptic vibration motors are integrated, enhancing the gaming experience with rich audio and tactile feedback. Wireless modules are connected, enabling multiplayer and online features. The final details. The sleek top casing is secured, completing the console's iconic form. We power on the system, and with a familiar startup sound, a new gaming adventure is ready to begin, a testament to compact power and endless fun. The assembly is complete. The adventure is portable. We've built an entire world in your hands. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.